Every 96 minutes, a construction worker dies on the job. Let's talk about how AI and robotics are cutting those risks. Construction fatalities are a harsh reality in our industry. Falls, slips, and trips account for 38% of all construction deaths. These aren't just numbers, they're our colleagues, our friends, our family members. But technology is changing everything. AI sensors and wearable devices are now alerting workers before accidents happen. These systems monitor everything from worker fatigue to environmental hazards. Take facade applications, for example. Companies like Raise Robotics are using robots for the most dangerous tasks. Imagine climbing 20 stories to apply finishing. Now imagine a robot doing it while you supervise safely from the ground. Smart hard hats now detect impacts, monitor air quality, and even track worker vital signs. Predictive analytics can identify high-risk situations before they become accidents. Sites using these technologies are reporting up to 50% fewer safety incidents. That means more workers going home safely to their families every day. AI can't stop every accident, but it can save thousands of lives. The future of construction isn't just about building better structures, it's about protecting the people who build them. If you believe safety should come first, subscribe and share this with a fellow worker.